In this video I have come up with the making of stylish neckline. Watching this video you would be learning how to make a simple garment into stylish wear. Let's get started. For this project I will be taking this cotton fabric. For the front bodice, turn towards the wrong side, making fold into 2 layers. Now I will be showing the markings of the neckline. Mark the shoulder line, leaving 1/4 inch on the top, and mark the neck width of 3 inches and the shoulder length of 4.5 inches. Marking down 1 inch from the shoulder line, mark the shoulder slope, connect that to the neckline. And now mark the armhole length of 6.5 inches, and on that point mark the chest line of 9.5 inches plus 1.5 inches for the extra seaming allowance. Mark the neck deep of 7 inches and also mark for the point of 4 inches on that line, wherein on that 4 inches we'll mark the curved line connecting that down to 7 inches with a V shape. From the center to the down of 4 inches, give the 1 inch gap, making the slit, and also towards the turning. From the 4 inches, mark the U-shaped neckline. Now the same neckline I'll be drafting on this contrast color. See, this is the patch of the base neckline. I'll be placing on this and give the markings. Cut it and mark around 1.5 inches all towards this neckline. You can also increase or decrease the length as per the requirement. Now mark for 1.5 inches and also near the curved areas. Now this is the shape. It would look like this. I also stuck with the interfacing by pressing it, leaving 1/4 inch towards the raw edges, folding towards the wrong side. Wrong side of the bodice placed with the right side of the interfacing. Leaving 1 centimeter seaming allowance, start sewing, joining the patch of the interfacing with the bodice of the neckline. I'd suggest you to secure with the pins, but here I am sewing it directly. Ensure that the curved edges and the sharp turnings should be made perfectly. Near this V slit you have to take the sharp turnings. This looks so simple, but it's stylish. You can create simple fabric into stylish garment. Now give the slits without crossing the thread line. Turn towards the pretty part of the bodice and give the gentle press. Ensure that you made the proper turnings. See, I had pressed on this neckline. Now I'll give the top stitch, just adjacent to these foldings. Concentrate on the finishings and the neatness because it's worthful. Now conceal the raw edge of this interfacing, folding quarter inch towards the wrong side, giving the perfect shapes when you are turning. Let the underneath fabric is well settled when you are sewing. I'm done with this neckline. For the final touch-ups, I would be using the dory thread or the embroidering thread. Wind in the bobbin case. Hold it firmly with another hand and start binding. Now I'll insert this in the bobbin and pull the thread out, and on the spool I'll be using normal cotton thread of pink color and also using the straight stitch with the length 4 and the thread adjustment at 2.5. This stitch you can also do on the normal sewing machines. Follow the same instructions. Wind the embroidering thread in the bobbin case, insert in the bobbin and increase the length and sew it, placing the pretty part downside, the pretty part of the fabric or the bodice, and on the top it should be the wrong side. For the easy convenience, I will be giving the markings in the center of the neckline. Now start sewing on that marked line. Try this and you can create simple fabric into this stylish pattern. Having any doubts relating to this video, drop your query in the comment section just below the description box so that I'll address it the earliest. Now give the gentle press. I'm done with this stylish V-shaped neckline. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. You can try this for kurtis, kurtas, kameez and even for the blouses and the crop tops to elevate the neckline. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy watching the latest fashions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.